Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. Zilliqa has broken down a very significant and long-term support on the weekly time frame. As in my previous videos, I have been showing you that we have this descending triangle formation on the weekly time frame. And this support was not broken down since after January 2021, and right now the price line has broken it down. And in today's video, we will analyze, are there any chances for the price reversal, or we are going to move more down. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. And I've shared my link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Now let's move back to this weekly time frame. And here we can see that the price line was entered in this triangle here in January 2021. And we had a few touch points at the support and several touch points at the resistance as well. And the price line was testing the resistance more than the support. And the more it will test any support or resistance, the more there will be chances for breakout or breakdown. In this case, we had more tests of the resistance, more touch points at the resistance. And now the price line has broken down the support. It moved in the opposite way and also broken down this 200. That was also another very strong support below the support of this triangle. On the weekly simple moving on the weekly time frame chart, we had this 200 simple moving average. Now, if we want the next long-term support on this weekly time frame, that is here at 2.9 cents. And before that, we also have a weak support here at approximately 3.5 cents, because when we had this short rally, we had some rejection, and after this rejection, we moved up again. And this will be the second time the price line will be testing this previous resistance as a support. And if the price line will be not able to be have a reversal from here, then it can move to the next support. That is very strong support at 2.9 cents. And then we will have the next support very low from here, that is approximately 1.5 cents. At the same time, we also have another downtrend line support. And you can see we have a touch point here. First, we were rejected by this resistance line here. Then we had a bounce here, and here, and here. We have several bounces by this support, by the way. And if I place this support, then we can see that we have found a support, a downtrend line support. And here we also have a downtrend line resistance as well. And this will be another formation of a down channel, by the way. And it is possible that the price line will now continue its move in this down channel. Now, for example, if the price line will be not able to have a reversal from this support and it will be moved more down, then it can have two supports together, like this downtrend line support of this down channel and also this support at 2.9 cents. And then after testing these supports, it can move up. And then we will have first this resistance that was previously working as a support of this triangle, that is approximately here at 5.5 cents, and the resistance of the channel will be approximately here at 6.2 cents. And if we take a look at the oscillators, like RSI is very close to the oversold zone. Right now the RSI's value is 34.89. On 30 it will be oversold, and stochastic is extremely oversold. And if we switch to the daily time frame, then RSI and stochastic both are oversold. Therefore, the next few hours and even days can be really very important. Even within next few hours, it will be decided whether the price line is going to have reversal from here, or it will break down the support that we have approximately at 3.8 cents. And the bigger move, the major move for the long-term rally will be started once we will be able to break out this resistance line of this down channel. That is approximately the resistance of the previous triangle as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.